From high above we witness a spectacle of breathtaking beauty, the changing seasons. Our planet, a canvas of vibrant life, transforms before our very eyes. Each season paints its own masterpiece, a testament to nature's artistry. As the year unfolds we journey through a symphony of colors, textures and sounds. From the hushed stillness of winter to the vibrant energy of summer, every moment is a treasure to behold. Let us explore the magic that unfolds with each turn of the earth. Winter descends, cloaking the land in a blanket of pristine white. The air is crisp, and the world seems to hold its breath, wrapped in a serene stillness. Each snowflake, unique in its design, contributes to the vast, unbroken expanse of white that stretches as far as the eye can see. Forests stand silent, their trees adorned with glistening ice crystals. The branches, heavy with frost, create a delicate, sparkling canopy that catches the light and transforms the forest into a winter wonderland. The silence is profound, broken only by the occasional creak of ice-laden branches. Mountains, once rugged and imposing, now wear a mantle of snow, their peaks piercing the sky. These majestic giants stand as silent sentinels, their white peaks contrasting sharply with the deep blue of the winter sky. The snow adds a layer of softness, muting the harsh edges and creating a scene of breathtaking beauty. Fields, once teeming with life, lie dormant, awaiting the touch of spring. The snow blankets the earth, preserving it for the rebirth that is to come. Beneath this frozen cover, seeds lie in wait, ready to burst forth when the time is right. But as the days lengthen, the warmth of the sun heralds a new season. The snow begins to melt, revealing the rich, dark soil beneath. Streams of water trickle down, feeding the earth and preparing it for the explosion of life that is soon to follow. Summer bursts forth in a riot of color and life. The transformation is swift and dramatic, as if the world has awakened from a deep slumber. Flowers bloom in a dazzling array of colors, and the air is filled with the hum of bees and the songs of birds. Forests teem with lush greenery, a symphony of birdsong filling the air. The trees, now fully leafed, provide a cool, shaded refuge from the summer sun. Wildlife thrives and the forest is alive with movement and sound. Mountain meadows explode with wildflowers, their vibrant hues a feast for the eyes. The flowers sway gently in the breeze, creating a moving tapestry of color that stretches across the landscape. Each bloom adds to the symphony of summer, a celebration of life and growth. Fields, now a vibrant tapestry of green and gold, sway gently in the summer breeze. The crops grow tall and strong, nourished by the sun and the rich soil. The landscape is a patchwork of colors and textures, a testament to the bounty of the season. As summer's heat fades, the days grow shorter and a new transformation begins. The air turns crisp and the vibrant greens of summer start to give way to the warm, earthy tones of autumn. It's a time of change, a time when nature prepares for the colder months ahead. Autumn arrives, painting the landscape in hues of gold, crimson and russet. The trees, once lush and green, now stand as fiery sentinels, their leaves a testament to the beauty of change. Forests transform into breathtaking displays of color, their leaves ablaze with fiery brilliance. Each tree, each leaf, tells a story of the passing seasons, of the cycle of life and death, and the promise of renewal. Mountainsides, once emerald green, now shimmer with golden light. The peaks and valleys are awash with the colors of fall, creating a tapestry that is both fleeting and unforgettable. Fields, their harvest complete, prepare for the coming winter. The land, having given its bounty, now rests, readying itself for the cold months ahead. It's a time of reflection, of gratitude for the harvest, and anticipation for the future. But even as nature seems to slumber beneath winter's chill, the promise of new life lies dormant. Beneath the blanket of snow, seeds and roots wait patiently for the warmth of spring. Spring emerges, a time of renewal and rebirth. The snow melts, revealing the earth beneath, and the first green shoots begin to appear. It's a time of hope, of new beginnings. Forests awaken from their winter sleep, their branches adorned with delicate blossoms. The air is filled with the scent of new growth, and the sounds of birds returning from their winter migrations. Mountain meadows erupt in a kaleidoscope of wildflowers, their vibrant colors a celebration of life. Each bloom is a testament to the resilience of nature, and the endless cycle of growth and renewal. Fields, once bare, now teem with new growth, a promise of abundance to come. The cycle of the seasons continues, each one bringing its own beauty, its own challenges, and its own rewards. Section 4. The Unending Dance. From the frozen stillness of winter to the vibrant energy of summer, from the fiery hues of autumn to the delicate beauty of spring, nature's cycle continues. Each season, a distinct and beautiful chapter in the story of our planet. This constant dance of change reminds us of the power and beauty of the natural world. It is a testament to the resilience of life, the enduring power of nature to renew and regenerate. Section 5. A Tapestry of Time. As we observe the changing seasons from above, we are reminded of the intricate dance of nature. Each season brings its own unique beauty and challenges, painting the landscape with a palette of colors and textures. We gain a unique perspective on the interconnectedness of life on Earth. The forests, rivers, mountains, and plains all work together in a delicate balance, supporting a myriad of life forms. We see how each season plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of time, influencing the growth of plants, the migration of animals, and the rhythms of human life. Shaping the landscapes we know and love, these seasonal changes remind us of the ever-evolving nature of our planet. Iconic landmarks transform with the passing months, each phase revealing a new facet of their beauty. Let us cherish this extraordinary planet we call home. Its diverse landscapes and natural wonders are a testament to the power of nature's cycles, and strive to protect its beauty for generations to come. Conservation efforts are crucial in preserving these wonders, ensuring that future generations can experience the same awe and inspiration. For in the ever-changing seasons we find a timeless reminder of the power and wonder of the natural world. Each transition from winter to spring, summer to autumn, tells a story of resilience and renewal. Let us embrace this story, and in doing so, find our place within the grand tapestry of time, forever connected to the rhythms of the earth.